Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna be taking you through all the trades that I took last week, including the one that I'm currently in. As you can see, I have Euro JPY running. I just moved my stop loss to break even in case it decides to come back before hitting my take profit. So let's go to my journal here. So these are the trades I took. I sold GBPAUD, it was a win, and then this is basically my trading journal. So I have the peaks right here, and I've already loaded the pictures of before I actually took the trades. So let's start with GBP. Yeah, this is the trade that I took on GBPAUD. Unfortunately, I think I didn't take the picture before it actually happened. So let's go so that I can show you the logic behind every trade that I took. So GBPAUD, our first trade. So how I trade is very simple, guys. Like, my strategy is very simple, and I'm gonna show you that now. Very simple. So just to make it clear, let me find it clear. Yeah, you see, how I trade is I find a very clear trend line. You see, this trend line is undeniable, very clear. So I kind of wait for the price to come back to the trend line, and then when it hits the trend line and show me some rejection, that's where I enter. I enter right here and aim to the next structure level. So in this case, it was a resistance. So let's go to GBPAUD. So this is the trade that I took. Hey, my chart is kind of messed up at the moment. I'm just gonna delete this unnecessary stuff which are no longer relevant, and I'm gonna switch to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so let me zoom out a bit. Actually, let me go to 2 hour. Yes, so as you can see, this is the trend line. This is the trend line that I was seeing. This is the trend line. It was respected here, it was respected here, it was respected here, it was respected here, it was respected here. And then I said, since this thing has been respected there, I'm expecting it to get respected here. So I just waited for price to come back here. Then when it retested there, it showed me. Actually, I entered somewhere here. Yeah, entered somewhere here. After I saw this double bottom, it made this first bottom, the second bottom. Then I entered. It went a little bit into profit. It went a little bit into profit. It went a little bit into profit, and then went back to draw down, and then dropped straight to my TP, and just hit my TP and went back. I think I'm gonna display the trades that I took, like the snap of the trade that I took somewhere here on the screen. You'll see it. Yeah, so it just hit my TP and decided to go back. I guess I was lucky for this one. So the next trade was GBPJPY. It was a sell, it was a win. Let me check the picture. Yeah, this is the trade. So basically, you see it's simple how I trade. There's this trend line, it was respected here, it was respected here, it was respected here. I expected it to get respected here also. So when it started when price started kind of falling away, then I entered right here, entered with a stop above this resistance level here, with a stop above this resistance. So it went to profit a bit, then went back and retested the trend line and jumped down and hit my take profit. Let me open the chart GBPJPY right now. Yeah, so this is the trade. Let me switch to, yeah, this is the trade. It worked out very well. It was a win. Did my take, imagine if I had held this all the way, this was gonna be a very good profit if I had held it. I think I'm gonna start closing partial positions and letting the rest run. So let's go to the next trade. AUDNZD, it was a loss. This trade, I don't even know why I took it. Let me show you. Everything was wrong about this trade, but I forced it. So this is how the trade played out. Entered right here. So let me go to the chart. So what I was thinking about this trade was that let me switch to daily. It was a kind of a swing trade. My chart is messed. So I was seeing that price is moving in this channel. So I was thinking that if it comes here, when it comes here, it should turn back. That's what I was thinking. But then it didn't turn. It continued down. So let me switch to a lower time frame just to show. Yes, this is. I think I removed I removed the trade. How I took it. So what happened is, if the trade was supposed to play out, it was supposed to turn right here on the trend line. So instead it broke out, and then after it broke out, it made this strong wick and showed strength, that is, it wants to go up. So me, instead, I decided to enter somewhere here because of fear of missing out, because if this thing was gonna go up there, I was gonna feel bad because I've been waiting for this trade and it didn't play out. No, I mean, I was waiting for this trade and I could have missed on it if I didn't take it. So I took a buy right here and then a bit into profit, then woo, stop loss. Did my stop loss. So this is a lesson for you guys. If you see that a trade is not playing out, like what you want is not playing out, just leave it. Don't force trades. This was an unnecessary loss. I don't know why I had to take it. So let's go to the next trade. Next trade is euro. This is the one that is running right now. So let me not go into that. Let's go to this one first. GBPNZD. Where is it? Yeah, this is the trade. This one was a good one. As you can see, we have a trend. Let me switch to the. Let me go to the charts. This is GBPNZD. Yes. So you can see I have an outer trend line right here that I'm waiting on. You can see price is going up here. If price hits somewhere here, I'm selling down. So now with this trade is, I saw that there's this first touch, second touch, and then I was expecting third touch somewhere around here. So let me zoom in and show you the price action that made me to enter this trade. Yeah, so it was going up. Yeah, so price kept going up, going up, going up. Then when it hit this trend line, it started wicking. It started wicking a lot. It wicked. Then I decided I used that as a confirmation because I was expecting price to go down right there, and then it shows me wicks there, which means it really wants to go down. Then I entered a sell right here. And to be honest with you guys, this was one of those trades which were headache, because you can see it didn't want to go down straight to profit. And then I saw this small uptrend forming here. So when it hit here, it looked like it wanted to go up. So I decided to close half of the position and take my stop loss to break even, to right here. So luckily it didn't hit my what? It didn't hit my stop loss before going down. Then it went down, and then you see this wick right here. This is the wick that hit my take profit. This wick, this small wick. Yeah. So let's go to the trade that I'm in right now. Oh, I actually have a lot of trade that I didn't put there. Now I see, because I have this Euro JPY that I sold here. I'm gonna show you the logic also. So this is what I was seeing. This is what I was seeing. This is all I was seeing. So I have this uptrend right here. This uptrend. This thing has been going up. Has been going up, going up. No retracement, just up. So I was anticipating the retracement back to the trend line, to the major trend line. You see. So price started forming this downtrend right here. It was a signal for me that price wants to go down, because it started making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So I decided to enter on this. You can see it's the same strategy that I'm telling you about. Same strategy. I draw a line, I wait for price to come back and hit that trend line. When price starts to fall away, that's why I end. I enter stop loss above the trend line. And then for this one, since I was waiting for this thing to come back to the major trend line. That's what my aim was. But at the same time, I saw this uptrend here, which it could be possible that price could have reversed here. So I just decided to put my take profit right here. My take profit was right here, right here on the trend line. So it just happened that the price came and broke out of the trend line, and then you can see this resistance level here. Then when it was underneath the resistance, it kept on hitting this resistance, on hitting it and coming down. So I decided to, since my initial move, I was anticipating the move back to the trend line, I could take another trade right here and put my stop loss above this resistance, because price seems like it's failing to go above this resistance. This trade was not part of my strategy. That's why you can see even the lot size that I used there is not the normal. I used 0.01. I was just testing. It was not like for profit. Even if it had hit my stop loss, that was not gonna do any impact on my account. I was just seeing this. I don't trade resistance and support. I trade trend lines. So it happened, this trade worked out well. It hit my take profit. You can see right there. I'm gonna put the pictures of the trades. And then when it came to the trend line, it reversed. I didn't see this. Had I been watching, I was gonna enter a trade something. I was gonna enter a trade right here, and aim maybe here. I was gonna take a trade right here and aim back here maybe, and put a stop loss below this thing. So, and for this trade was it. Let me rub off this trade first because it's my, yeah. So had I been watching, I was gonna enter right here. I was gonna enter right here and put my stop loss below and aim here. At least risk reward ratio of 2:1. So this trade would have been running right now. So instead, what I saw is this. This is the trade that I'm currently in. It's currently running at the moment. So I think I entered somewhere around here. Stop loss was. Actually, let me just do this. Let me just go back. Yeah. So this is the trade that is running. Oh, it seems like it's coming back, but it's fine. You never know what's gonna happen. It might look like it's coming back and go up. And even if it comes back, I've already put my stop loss somewhere around here, so I'm not gonna lose in this trade. I know that. So that's why I'm chilled. Even if it's coming back, I'm not gonna close. My take profit is here. I take profit at least 1:2. 2:1, I mean. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. These were all my trades that I took for this week. Peace.